soft glow of the screen illuminated their faces, a familiar sight for Monsieur and Madame Dubois. For months, their dream home in the south of France had taken shape not in person, but through the digital ether of video calls with OECO Architectes. The COVID-19 pandemic had introduced an unusual but surprisingly effective rhythm to their collaboration. They, a couple on the cusp of retirement, envisioned a primary residence that could also offer a charming seasonal rental. Every detail, from the gentle curve of a roof to the subtle interplay of light and shadow, was discussed, debated, and ultimately decided across continents, a testament to modern connection in unprecedented times. Their first physical encounter with their vision, and with their architects, came only when the groundwork began. Nestled within a golf development, perched on the Atlantic coastal dune, the site itself dictated much of the design. The architects, with a keen eye for nature, had prioritized the existing arboreal inhabitants. The house, an almost organic succession of volumes and single-sloped roofs, seemed to weave itself between the preserved trees, a harmonious blend of built form and natural environment. The very layout was a direct response to the available spaces, a dance between programmatic requirements and the established sylvan embrace. Inside, the carefully framed views became living artworks. Each window, often vertically oriented, served to capture the towering treetops and the vast expanse of the sky, bringing the outside in with an almost painterly precision. The relationship between the interior and the surrounding nature was paramount, with the landscape meticulously designed to offer a sense of privacy from neighboring properties while maintaining an untamed, natural atmosphere. The subtle undulations of the dune were embraced, allowing the house to recede slightly from the road, save for the welcoming garage, creating a discreet street-side facade that then unfurled onto the serene garden. A truly unique element was the detached volume, a self-contained studio designed for seasonal rentals or to graciously host visiting relatives. Privacy was key here, achieved through a vertical layout and its own intimate micro-garden. Inside, a double-height space connected the cozy ground floor living area to the elevated bedroom. This upper sanctuary could be opened or closed off with large, pivoting wooden panels, offering flexibility and an ever-changing sense of space. A striking suspended staircase, a delicate fusion of wood and metal, linked the two levels, its metal rods extending upwards to form the bedroom's railing, a testament to both functionality and artistry. Wood, in all its rich variations, was the undeniable protagonist of the project. The structure predominantly featured timber-framed walls and a traditional timber frame, with concrete used only for the foundations and ground floor. The entire exterior was clad in black saturated Douglas fir, allowing the house to recede into the shadows of the pine bark, appearing in myriad shades of black beneath the dappled light of the foliage. Inside, local Landis pine paneled the walls and ceiling of the studio, while warm oak accentuated certain walls within the main house, subtly delineating the different volumes. The Dubois, with their minimalist sensibilities, desired integrated furniture, and the architects delivered, custom designing every built-in piece from pine and oak with a luxurious oiled finish. The surrounding landscape, carefully curated with preserved trees and strategically placed new plantings, completed the picture, a harmonious extension of the existing undergrowth atmosphere, with a terraced space seamlessly blending with the interior, bordered by subtly sloped plantings that danced from small to large.